Now continuation inverse property. Identity we learnt in previous video. When you added 0, 0 is the additive identity, 1 is called multiplicative identity. So any rational number to adding 0, same number, so 0 is the additive identity. Don't forget, 1 is the multiplicative identity. In rational numbers we are learning, in any numbers also, whole numbers, integers, 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Now comes to inverse. When you are learning inverse property, any rational number to you added opposite sign. Here plus a by b is there, plus a by b to opposite sign is minus a by b. Added additive inverse property is satisfied, 0k. Okay, a by b plus opposite sign, which one? Minus a by b. So a by b is the additive inverse of minus a by b. Replacing of minus a by b is there thing. So what is the opposite sign for minus a by b? Plus a by b. Okay, to both each other additive inverse. So a by b additive inverse is minus a by b. Minus a by b additive inverse is a by b. Opposite sign we are taking. Remember, in exercise we are doing these problems. Okay, additive inverse is opposite sign. Okay, now comes to multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means when you multiply any fractional to reciprocal. A by b reciprocal, b by a equals to 1. So a by b multiplicative inverse is b by a. B by a multiplicative inverse is a by b. Example, I am taking example. First, in inverse additive. Example, we have taken 3 by 7. Okay, additive inverse. What is additive inverse of 3 by 7? Minus 3 by 7. Opposite sign. Here plus 3 by 7 is there, so minus 3 by 7. Multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse of 3 by 7? Reciprocal. 3 by 7 reciprocal, 7 by 3. This is the answer. This much you wrote means you will get 4 marks, 2 marks. This one for 2 marks, 2 problems means 4 marks. Easily. Sometimes he will ask in objective type also. Okay, part B. Okay, cleared? Replacing 3 by 7 I am taking, minus 2 by 9 is there. So what is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 9? Plus 2 by 9. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 9? Minus is there. Minus, don't forget minus, like that only in multiplicative inverse. Minus 2 by 9. Multiplicative inverse is minus 9 by 2. Okay, cleared? Some more examples taking for additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. 1 is there. 1, 9, minus 1, 2 numbers. Additive inverse. You write in full form. Don't write short form. Additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 by 1. Denominator anything 1 by 1 equals to 1 only. Okay, this one for your explanation only. Multiplicative inverse of 1 is reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Remember, additive inverse always opposite sign. Multiplicative inverse always we are taking reciprocal. We are changing sign in additive inverse. In multiplicative inverse we are not changing sign. Plus minus we are not changing. Okay, one more. Additive inverse of minus 1. Sign change. Minus 1 of minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is, here signs not changing. Reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Minus 1 by 1, minus 1 only. Okay, cleared? I think this one clear, understood. If understood means start. If understood, what? Once again revise the video, once again listen, once again listen. Next goes to exercise problems. This all completed. Okay, what is first you wrote key points. Next once again I given key point, that also added with that. Next do these problems. Do these problems after you are doing this one. Exercise 1.1. First, which one is the name the property involved in the following. One by one you are writing, side only answer right. 8 by 5 plus 0 equals to 8 by 5 equals to 0 plus 8 5. 0 is there. So which property? Additive identity in rational number under addition. Or one more property also there. A by b plus c by d is equals to c by d plus a by b. 0. Can't write, no? So this is also commutative property also. Anyone writing also okay. Here 1 is there. 3 by 7 into 1 equals to 3 by 7 equals to 1 into 3 by 7. Multiplicative identity. Okay. Second problem, I showed third, sorry. Second, 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Which property? A into b plus c is equals to a into b plus b into c. Which property? Distributive property. In first video we learnt this one under addition. Remember? Shall I revise once again? Now comes to distributive property. Distributive property multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition taking means we are taking plus. Here rational numbers we are taking, that's why a by b into c by d plus e by f. In previous class we studied a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. Anything not there means into only. If not there, nothing will happen. Okay, and multiplication over addition. Here multiplication is there, addition, two disturbances, distributive property. Remember, we studied already. Here replacing of that only rational numbers using. Out number which one multiply is there, that bracket inside numbers to 2 both to multiplying. Yes, no? A into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. Same like that. A by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Okay, fraction form is that's a keeping bracket, that much only difference. This is over addition is there. If over subtraction, replacing of addition, we are writing a into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c. Anything not there means into only. Okay, distributive property, this one. Distributive property multiplication over addition is a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. Multiplication over subtraction is a into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c. Okay, clear? In key points are given is there. Okay, now comes to exercise. In exercise, these are all properties you learnt. Carefully see, observe, then give the answer which property side only. If commutative property over addition is there means right. If opposite sign is there, opposite sign means additive inverse. See, 7a plus of minus 7a. 7a same is there, here minus is there. Opposite sign came means additive inverse. Okay, understood? Now clear?